Okay, so I just totally found out that my laptop comes with a USB cord that can connect to my computer. So I don't need to buy a USB. So I feel stupid because my cousin just told me over the phone after he watched my video. He's like, "Oh hey, like did you know that your laptop comes with a USB cord? Or maybe cords? And you could totally put that onto your computer." And I was like, "No way. I'm a girl. How am I supposed to know this stuff?" And he's like, "Well, you should know this stuff. You got your laptop like 2 months ago, and the box has the cords in it." And I was like, check the box. It would be smart, but I didn't know that. But yeah, kind of feeling stupid right now, and I just want to let you guys know that. Feeling kind of stupid and retarded. USB cords. Why didn't I think about that? Obviously, I didn't. USB cords in my laptop box. I feel so stupid. Oh well, get over myself. Well, yeah. Oh God. See ya.